Across Asia, digital transformation is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. From financial services and government applications to everyday life, every login and every transaction is built on one foundation: digital identity. But with inconvenience comes risk. Fraud, account takeovers, and credential breaches are rapidly eroding users' trust in the digital world. Traditional passwords can no longer support the demands of the era. Countries around the world are searching for new solutions. Taiwan, however, has chosen a different path. Rather than simply adopting new technologies, it is rethinking the very foundation of trust. At the heart of the transformation lies a new model of collaboration, public-private partnership. Hello everyone, I'm Karen Chen, Chair of Fido Taiwan Engagement Forum. As digital identity becomes the foundation of trust in our society, Taiwan has taken a distinctive approach. In Taiwan, the government is not only a regulator, but also an enabler and a catalyst. And the private sector is not just a technology provider, but a key driver of innovation and real-world implementation. At Fido Taiwan, we are proud to be part of this journey, helping to advance passwordless authentication from vision to large-scale deployment. In the next few minutes, you will see how Taiwan is leveraging government leadership and industry collaboration to build a digital society that is not only more secure, but also more seamless and trustworthy.
Hello everyone. Today, as we use more digital services, things like logging in, making payments, or accessing apps all depends on our digital identity. But with more cyber threats like fraud and stolen passwords, trust has become a big problem. In Taiwan, we believe security needs to improve. That's why the Ministry of Digital Affairs is promoting passwordless technologies like Fido and passkeys. This makes systems safer and also easier to use. Our approach is simple. The government provides the policy directions and infrastructure, while industry partners drive innovation and real-world solutions. By working together, we are building a digital system that people can trust and that can grow in the future. Looking ahead, digital trust will be very important for new technologies, including AI and digital identity. Taiwan is committed to playing an active role in shaping that future.
Taiwan has deployed Fido at a national scale through a structured public-private partnership model. This model spans 4 pillars.
First, TW Fido, the government citizen identity platform led by the Ministry of Interior. Second, the government zero trust architecture, where Fido powers the identity assurance layer led by the Administration for Cybersecurity under the Ministry of Digital Affairs. Third, financial Face ID, a cross-institutional Fido service for the financial sector, driven by the Financial Supervisory Commission. And the fourth, Digital Trust Initiative, the expansion of Fido into the broader private economy, led by the Administrations for Digital Industries, which is under the Ministry of Digital Affairs. Let me talk more about the Digital Trust Initiative.
This initiative takes a different and a very interesting approach. Instead of engagement with solution provider or relying parties,
we work through industry associations to drive adoption from within each sector. Here's how the model works. Under this initiative, industry associations are invited to form Special Interest Group or SIGs. Each SIG is made up of member companies from a specific industry. Together, they map out the digital trust challenges their sector faces, things like identity fraud, data leakage, and weak authentication, and then propose real-world field validation projects to address them. These proposals undergo a formal review process. Upon approval, The initiative support team, comprising members of the Fido Taiwan Engagement Forum, will assist each relying party in implementing their project and addressing any technical or operational challenges encountered. To date, we have collaborated with organizations such as the Taiwan E-commerce and Startup Association, the Chinese Non-Store Retail Association, the Taiwan Game Industry Promotion Association, the Taiwan Payment Facilitator Association, the Life Insurance Association, the Taiwan Association of Logistics Management, the Taiwan Digital Security Development Association, the National Innovation and Entrepreneurship Association, and others. Our partnerships span a wide range of industries, including online shopping, online gaming, digital payment, insurance, logistics, customer clearance, and various other enterprise applications.
This is a snapshot of Taiwan digital trust expansion, where Fido plays as a key enabling standard and technology in the ecosystem. Next, we will take you deeper into financial Face ID and government zero trust and share more real-world case studies of Fido deployment across Taiwan.
To align with the digital trust policies by the government, Webcam Technology works on making Fido into everybody's daily life. Our 100% passwordless solution has been lending from financial industries to e-commerce, from enterprises to daily users' usage. Firstly, for Financial Fast ID, it is a cross-institution digital identity framework promoted by Taiwan Financial Supervisory Commission. By leveraging Fido spec, it allows the user to complete a high-assurance identity verification once at a single financial institution, and then they can reuse that trusted identity across all banks, security firms, and insurances. This means user no longer needs to repeatedly fill out forms or go through complex verification process. They only need to open accounts, access the service, and perform low-risk transactions by making easy way to confirm. And then they can do more convenience while maintaining strong security and regulatory compliance. In short, Financial Fast ID, regulated by government, can help everybody just to verify once and then use everywhere. No more repeatable onboarding, just seamless financial access. With this framework, we supported many leading financial holdings to implement Financial Fast ID, which benefit over 5 million of the user, getting more convenient in their daily life for applications. Also, we have moved from intra-group verification to enable cross-group services, making financial inclusion a really convenient reality for everyone. Building on the success in finance, we expand to daily life usage. Think of everybody's life for employee or when you are doing your personal work. Before you can access any system, firstly, you need to open up your PC or notebook with Windows login. And normally it takes over 10 times per day to do the access, which for big firms that apply ISO 2701 also requires to change passwords 90 days to ensure it's secure enough. Webcam Technology has partnered with ASUS to provide Zero Trust PC that integrates Fido and passkeys for users to get access without passwords. This enables users to log in securely without passwords after booting up the devices, eliminating the needs of changing password and the complexity of password need to change every 90 days. As a result, both enterprises and end users can use their computers in a way that's easy and also more secure. So we can reduce the risks associated with forgotten passwords and security vulnerable. Moreover, we partnering with Mayo for Apollo HR system. Mayo is an international HR solution provider. By implementing Fido into their HR solution, employees no longer need to key in password for clocking in or accessing sensitive like payroll data. Fido can ensure right person doing the right check-in. Also protect personal information like payroll can be accessed with protection. With this Apollo system, over millions of the usage per month, also providing that Fido has become truly part of our daily routine life. Finally, with the support from Ministry of Digital Affairs of promoting digital trust, we support high technology manufacturing and retails. A standout example is S-Line Spectrum, a retail and e-commerce brand that has an ecosystem with over 2,000 e-commerce suppliers. They cover all aspects of consumer life. They directly upgrade the supply chain management into Fido and passkeys support fundamental, only to fully ensure the security policy is secure enough. And this change has ensured the security from logistics to cash flow for all the suppliers to them in referral to the supply chain security. So with over 1K per day logins and more than 30K per month authentication, we help S-Line and their suppliers to ensure identity security from the supplier to their end customers. Webcom is dedicated to promoting Fido in both on-premise and SaaS-based version to meet diversity needs. Followed by Minister of Digital Affairs policy with PPP, we work hand in hand to make Fido and passkey landing into users' daily life and promoting from Taiwan to global.
Hi everyone, I'm Leon Chen from Changing Information Technology. I will share 3 cases about how we promote the Fido. Case 1, financial adoption. In the promotion of the Fido, follow this successful PPP model. Our first milestone was in 2018 when we assist mega bank in integrate the Fido into their mobile banking application. We not only replace the login password, but also use Fido to verify users' intent for Taiwan Pay mobile payment. After years of promotion, over 1 million users now use Fido in their daily life. This case established a robust foundation for Fido in the border of financial sector. Case 2, about the National Zero Trust Architecture. When Taiwan's 6th National Cybersecurity Development Program from 2021 to 2024 recommend Fido for Zero Trust Architecture, changing also lead the way. In 2022, our CG Trust product was the first to receive Zero Trust Identity Authentication certification from the National Institute of Cybersecurity. Today, we have already deployed this product over 30 government agencies. This success has also shifted to the private sector, including the research institute like Academia Sinica, financial leaders like Transglobal Life, and the high-tech giant like Wistron. A third case is building the digital trust for the future. Beyond the corporation use, Fido is also a critical technology for Taiwan's digital trust development. Since 2024, the Administration for Digital Industries, ADI, under the MODA, has launched the Field Verification Project. Changing has not only helped the gaming industry, such as a new type game to adopt Fido, but also expand passkey into insurance and e-commerce. We are seeing a shift where security is no longer a barrier, but a business enabler. In summary, the Taiwan government set a clear strategy, and the private company like Changing deliver the innovation product to realize it. The positive cycle accelerates Fido adoption and create its real value. Thank you.
Taiwan has built a comprehensive ecosystem for Fido adoption, and today we are proud to be the 2nd largest Fido member community in the world. Through public-private partnerships, governments, research institutions, and enterprises are advancing together on a shared foundation. In the era defined by AI, cross-border services and digital identity, trust will become the most critical competitive advantage. Taiwan is already on the path, and we look forward to sharing this model with the world, working with global partners to build a more secure and trusted digital future.